Here's a quick update on the UI tool I've been making. If you've been following along super closely, you'll know that last time I was actually cheating and not rendering the vectors as vector. I would just create a single bitmap and use the cached version. Now it's actually vectors for everything. So because of that, I can actually scale up and down, whatever. I can also add multiple files, group select and scale those, and they actually get scaled. Of course, if I'm using an actual bitmap, which this is, then it won't scale. Or it'll scale, but it'll obviously render with artifacts because it's a bitmap. Another thing that was added was renaming. So I could name this funny symbol. And this is not serializing yet, but this format that I'm using is the same format I used for Flash to XNA and to XAML and SVG. So it automatically serializes, and I do have code in C# and in Flash to use the output of this to create graphics or to create user interfaces. So that side is actually it's fairly far along for those two. Of course, it's not finished for iOS or Android or whatever else. The other thing I can do here is press F8 and create a symbol. You'll notice down here there's a symbol created. Multiple symbol, whatever. And now, of course, you can add as many of these as you want, and these also, of course, scale. And you can undo and even undo creating the symbol, and you see it disappears. Another thing I have is just debug. If you press the D key, you'll get information. Right here I have matrix information, but I'll be able to put whatever I want on there. Also, you can see you'll be able to rename instances and all that kind of stuff directly on here. I guess that's it for now, and I'll have an update as soon as the next one's ready.